I'm Brett at GuideWise, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to manage the settings for each different site that you visit on Safari on your iPhone. So first we're going to open up Safari, and we're just going to be on a random article web page. Next, you're going to tap the little button on the side here that's, white with a little rectangle and a couple lines. Then you'll click on the three dots here, and then you can scroll down on the very bottom. You'll see website settings for, and then this particular website. You can have it toggle to request the desktop site every time you visit. You can have it use the reader automatically. Since it is a article, we're probably going to want to use reader mode. And then for camera, microphone, and location, if they want to access that, it's going to automatically ask you, but you can say deny or allow every time for any of these. And then this is all very site specific, so you can do this for any site that you visit. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more.